Hi everyone, welcome back to Land Investing Online. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to map MLS comps from Redfin onto Google Earth. We're going to use two different softwares for this. One, we're going to use Redfin, and that is going to give us all of our data. That's going to give us all of our comps with latitude and longitude. And then we're going to also use Google Earth, and this is where we're going to actually map out our comps so we can see where in the area these comps actually are. And it's going to give us a really wide perspective of where the prices are in a county or in a region. So first, let's get to Redfin. So here we have Redfin. I'm going to pull up Giles County, Tennessee. No reason for this county. It's just one that I'm going to pull up. And what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to do this for land and we're going to do this for sold comps. So I'm going to go to for sale. I'm going to change it to sold. And let's just do the last 6 months. Then we're going to change it to land. And I'm going to also change my acreage. And let's just do 5 to 20 acres. So what this is giving me right now is the last 6 months of sold land comps in Giles County, Tennessee, between 5 and 20 acres. So what you need to do, guys, and not every county can do this, you need to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see where it says end results. Then there should be a download all button. Like I said, this download all button is not available in every county, but what we're going to do, we're going to hit download. So now we have an Excel and this is all of our comps. So now what we need to do is format this properly so we can get this onto Google Earth. The first thing I see is the sold date column. I only want sold comps, so I'm going to get rid of these ones without a sold date. You can also say they say single family, so we don't want things that aren't vacant land. We also don't need the address. You can keep this stuff if you want it. I'm just cleaning this up for my purposes. I'm going to change the price column so it is dollar signs. Then I'm going to get rid of bed and bath since it's vacant land again. I'm going to get rid of location and square feet since there's no square feet. And all this stuff that's empty, I don't really need. We know these are all sold comps. I don't need that. URL, I'm going to keep. That's pretty important. You can keep the MLS number if you want. I'll keep that. And then we always need latitude and longitude. This is what we use to actually map it on Google Earth. So you can see right here, we have lot size, but this is not in acres. This is in square feet. So what I'm going to do is a simple formula to get me the acres. And all it is equals this divided by 43560. And that's going to give us the acreage. There's 43,560 square feet in an acre. And I'm just going to make this column a little cleaner. So let's change this to number and we should be good there. Then I'm actually going to copy this so I can get rid of lot size. What you need to do, you need to copy. Then when you paste this, paste special and only paste the values. So then I can get rid of lot size and I can get rid of this one. Again, I'm going to change this to numbers. So now we have a nice 2 decimal. It looks a lot better for us. So what you can see here are a couple duplicates. So June 8th, 110, exact same acreage. I'm going to delete this top one. Everything else looks good to me. And then one last thing I want to do is price per acre. So I'm going to do price per acre. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do equals the price divided by the acreage. I like this number being on here and we can visualize this really well on Google Earth. Okay, so this is all ready. All we got to do is hit save and then we're going to get over to Google Earth. All right, so now we're in Google Earth and we're ready to import. What we need to do, we need to go up to file, we need to go to import, and then this is going to be our file right here. I'm just going to hit this. A lot of stuff's going to come up. Don't be overwhelmed with any of this. We're going to keep this very basic for this video, and you can add different features in the future. So I'm just going to hit next on here. You do want to make sure your latitude and longitude fields are correct. Like I said, this is how Google Earth is going to map it, is with these two fields. Then we're going to have the details lined up with it as well. So I'm going to hit next there. That looks correct. Make sure all of these look correct when you're going through. This is all going to be good here. I'm going to hit finish. I'm going to hit yes on this. Do you want to apply a style template? I'm going to hit yes, and I'm going to create a new template. Okay, so again, what we're going to do here is just go through this quickly. We're not going to change a lot. What we are going to add is an icon. So we're just going to add, let's just add a little pin for all of them. Color, that's fine. Name. So what we can do, guys, is put something over the top of our icon so you can see it. And what I want to do is price per acre for this. I'm going to put that over top. So this field is going to be visible all throughout the county. That's a reason why I only wanted 20 comps or something. This can get overwhelming if you have 50 or 100 comps on here. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit OK. That works. Save. Then you can see this little thing pops up. So you can see, unless I check mark this, it's not going to pop up. Once I hit check mark, we can see all of our comps in here. Now, this is really cool to see. Like I said, this is for 5 to 20 acres. You can do a lot more stuff with this. This pin is price per acre. So we can see the price per acre differences. Obviously, this is 5 to 20 acres, so it's a big range. So you want to be careful with that. But what you can do is when you click any comp, it's going to pull up all the data within this. Sold May 12th, 2023. Here's the sale price, the acreage, price per acre, all this different stuff. This is very powerful. Like I said, this is just the basics. And one more thing you can do is pull up the URL. And what this is going to do is actually pull up the details within Google Earth. So you don't have to go to a separate browser. Mine's taking a second to load, but this is also very cool. So you can go in, see the picture, see the slope, see what actually happened with the property, and then get back to your Google Earth if you want. Like I said, guys, this is just the basics of what you can do with mapping comps on Google Earth. You can go much farther and change the color of the icons for different acreages and stuff like that. And I'll make an advanced video in the future with this. But that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos like this, please say in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.